In this video, I'll show you how to convert a low-resolution logo into a high-resolution vector-style design using Canva first. Open Canva and create a new design with a large custom size, such as 2000 by 2000 pixels or higher. This gives you more space and helps improve the final quality when exporting. Next, upload your low-resolution logo into Canva. Place it on the canvas and zoom in so you can clearly see the details. Since Canva doesn't truly convert images into vector files automatically, the goal is to recreate the logo manually using Canva's tools. Now, use the shapes, lines, and text tools to trace over your logo. Match the colors, fonts, and layout as closely as possible. You can also use the Draw tool or adjust transparency to help guide your tracing. Once your logo is recreated, group all the elements together and make sure everything is aligned properly. This new version will be clean and scalable compared to the original. Finally, download your design as a PDF print file. This format preserves high quality and works like a vector-style file for most uses. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.